whole warnings again. As today is my last day of the first Ice Age movie. And I graduated from that movie. And I hate the warning screens. And I hate the tension screens too. And I hate the stupid dumb baby Ice Age movie. And I hate the stupid dumb baby Ice Age. Ice Age. As much as Blake Henson does. Stupid dumb baby. 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 Oh no, not the dumb baby. Oh no, not that dumb baby. The dumb baby. Let's pick widescreen. Pick widescreen.
For today. Next I didn't know we were supposed to have one already. We have to wash
hands. Ah! Snowflakes. Floating, floating, floating. Floating. Ah!
Nice, big, bollick, delicious hot schmoes.
What do you do? Do naughty. Oh no, 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 no. Hot portion out here. No, 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 no. Ah! Floating. Paper. No. Floating, 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 floating.
It's not in Bob Molly's room. We've looked everywhere.
The lawn gnome next door says, but he'll keep looking. Don't worry, Woody. I've got a great idea. Sure you will, Rex. You're a better contact, Woody.
I graduated from almost for a happy holidays, and today is my last day as a Christmas movie. My last day as a Christmas movie.
I don't think
Look. I hate the warning screens. Not again. I'm so tired of all these warning screens. You got the Christmas special already. God. No, 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 not this again. Not again. No, 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 no. Ah! Floating, floating, floating.
It's bogey flavored.
Floating, 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 floating.
Tuesday night's coronavirus awareness meeting was, I think, a big success, and we want to thank Mr. Spell for putting that on for us. Thank you, Mr. Spell. Oh yes, one minor note here. The lockdown has been moved to today. Next, I didn't know we were supposed to have one already. We have to wash hands. Yeah, you guys think this is a big joke. I don't want any toys dying. Wash, 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 wash. Now let's all relax and have a nice, big, bollick, delicious hot schmoes. No, Buzz. You go say.
Tina,
Meeting adjourned.
Tina, floating, 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 floating. Lightning.
Hi, Tina.
Lightning, floating.
Say, I see you're reading a book.
Yeah! It's gone! I can't believe it!
Would you mind
It's completely
listening
gone!
to it, bud?
Hang on, cowboy. It's too bad!
surely you can do better.
You're right. You can do better. You can do better.
I can't find any PT.
Floating.
It's not in Bob.
Spell for putting that on for us. Thank you, Mr. Spell.
Brother Alan is counting on me. Your
Oh,
brother
yes,
Alan
one
is
minor
counting
note
on me.
here.
Our brother
Lockdown
Alan
has
is
been moved
counting on me.
to today. Next, I didn't know we were supposed to have one already. We have to wash hands. Yeah, you guys think this is a big joke. I don't want any toys dying. Wash, 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 wash. Now let's all relax and have a nice, big, bollick, delicious hot schmoes.
Floating. Asking queen. Movies. Million queen.
No pause.
Young men again. Floating. Floating. Asking queen.
Meeting adjourned.
Oh, floating. Oh no, not the beat, not the beat. Not the beat. Don't want to floating, floating, floating. Turn the set. I only just throw away buttons in here, but who cares? It's loading. It's loading.
You're right.
Loading. Loading.
I can't find it in TNT.
It's not in Bob Marley's room. We've looked everywhere.
Not fair.
Hello, no next door.
It's not fair, Gina. It's not fair, Gina.
Don't worry, Woody. I've got a great idea.
This is not good.
Get out of here, Buzz.
Perhaps you would respond to an alternative form.
I think very good, Woody. That's using the old noodle. I don't think Andy's gonna put no socks anymore.
Loading. Loading. Loading.
Meeting you guys. Come on,
Loading.
let's go.
Loading. 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 Loading.
Woody,
Loading.
what's up with you? Well, obviously, I want to have my ice cream.
Woody?
Ah.
What?
It's bourbon flavored.
Tuesday night's coronavirus awareness meeting was, I think, a big success, and we want to thank Mr. Spell for putting that on for us. Thank you, Mr. Spell. Oh yes, one minor note here. The lockdown has been moved to today. Next we have... I didn't know we were supposed to have one already. We have to wash hands. Oh, yeah, you guys think this is a big joke. I don't want any toys dying. Now let's all relax and have a nice big ball of
Delicious hot schmoes.
no buzz.
Oh, it's me.
Meeting adjourned.
In that one spot. What?
Nice work, Fergie.
It's gone! I can't believe it! The rope is completely gone!
Hang on, cowboy.
Loading. It's loading. Swing your stairs. Swing your stairs. What, Oscar? What? You can't do.
Surely you can do better.
You all right?
True.
Now let's all relax and have a nice big ball of
Delicious hot schmoes. Woody?
Tuesday night's coronavirus awareness.